Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a fairy using Google Gemini. So go to Tools, Create Images, and this is the prompt you are going to paste. You can change the hair color and the color of the dress or the style of the outfit yourself, but this is just the kind of prompt for it, the base prompt for it, and you can change it. So you're just going to paste that into Gemini, and you're going to then wait for it to generate. I'm trying to find the words here, and this is what it should look like at the end. Obviously, if you want different hair color, different dress color, and etc., you can absolutely change it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!